All right, we're back for our April box. We're gonna start off with our Hoppy Easter sign. It's gonna come like this in the package. Pretty easy to open up. There's not very many pieces to this one, but it is a little bigger craft. So we'll have our 2 back pieces. We're gonna have our 2 cross pieces that'll go on the top and the bottom. We're gonna have our Easter bunny that goes in the middle here. And then our Hoppy is gonna go on the top. And our Easter is gonna go on the bottom. I'll show you how to space it out when we get to that point, but we're gonna paint our pieces first. I have my paints today in this one, but you guys will have your paints in your trays that are coming in your boxes. So you'll be able to use the colors in that. If you have more colors at home, feel free to grab them. You got some paint brushes in there. I'm gonna use a sponge today for mine, and then kind of go from there. Let's get to painting. To start with, I'm gonna paint my back pieces. I'm gonna paint it a brown color. Yes, I'm gonna use that without that. All right, there's those 2 back pieces. Now I'm gonna paint the 2 cross pieces. All right, those are done now. Now I'm gonna sneak over to my bunny and grab my other bun over here. All right, today I'm gonna make my bunny pink. You can make it whatever color you want it. Like I said, if you have paints at home, you can use those too. That's a bright pink. All right, my bunny's done. It's gonna go in the middle there. All right, now all we have left are these. I'm gonna paint the Hoppy Easter, this mint color. I gotta go grab another brush. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna use my mint paint here to paint our Hoppy Easter and put it on first instead. Gotta be kind of careful with some of these because the words are kind of fragile. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, those are done now. I'm actually going to leave the bunny tail that color. It's time to glue. Let's get to gluing. So these back pieces are gonna line up perfectly here. Just like this at the bottom and like that at the top. We're just gonna leave those on our surface. We're gonna take one of these ones. We're gonna take our glue. Found it. We're gonna run just a little bit across the back of it. Just like that. I'm gonna straighten these back out. We're gonna use our rabbit to determine where these need to go. So we're gonna kind of put it in the middle here. We're gonna make sure that this fits on the top. And then we're gonna look at this little gap down here and look at our little gap at the top and kind of make it even the best that we can. These sticks will stick off the sides just a little bit. I think that's about good right there. So I'm gonna leave it there I'll leave my rabbit there too for our spacing. I'm going to take our glue again. I'm going to glue this one down to the top. Again, spacing it out just a little bit and leaving it hang over the edges just a little bit there. Perfect. All right, time to glue our bunny down. Get our glue on there. Spread it all over. We're gonna put them right in the middle. Just like that. This will be kind of wiggly for a little bit until your glue dries, but it'll look about like that when you're done. All right, we can do the Hoppy Easter because it's gonna go on top. Then we can leave it sit after that. You just kind of spread it around the word a little bit. And then this Hoppy is gonna go right in the middle of that top piece. Like so. One more piece here. I lied. We still have the bunny tail to do too. This Easter down here at the bottom. Again, putting it right in the middle. And it can overlap a little bit, and it can hang off the bottom. Okay, last thing. Got a little bunny tail here. Put some glue on it. Stick it right down in the middle. There. Now you have your little Hoppy Easter decorative sign. Thanks for joining me today.